Hello everyone. So let's discuss the problem. In the given problem, we need to find whether ABC or ABC are in AP or GP, or BC is in AP or GP as per the given options here. So to solve this problem, the basic step would be open all the brackets as given in the question, multiply the coefficients into the brackets and rearranging them. When we rearrange them, we get this equation, right? We can further see that it is familiar to a concept, to a equation we already know, that is x minus y whole square, x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square, and x minus z whole square. Correct? So we break down the complete equation into this. Correct? Now we know that this equation is equal to 0. That is the only possible case when all these three terms in the brackets is equal to 0. Why? Because when the number of terms equal to 3, when number of terms equal to 2, we can say the possible cases one is equal to the negative of another. But in case of odd number of terms, the only possible case is 0, because uh, no other, even if we say that the negative of another is possible, we cannot find the negative values. Thus, considering that all these equal to 0, we get this relation. Now, making the numerator coefficient 0, 1, we divide all these terms by 15, right? Giving the equation a divided by 1 equal to b divided by 5 and c divided by 3. Now we can clearly say that these terms are in AP, right? Now the order has to be either increasing or decreasing. We can't just say that ABC is in AP, right? So if we say about the increasing order would be B, C and A. B, C, A in AP, or in the reverse order, that is A, C, B is in AP. Now see which of the option is available, which is given to you. See, we have B, C, A and not A, C, B. So the correct option would be option 1, that is B, C, A is in AP.